What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we're back with another iPad case review. This time is for the iPad Pro 11-inch, and we're going to be looking at the Pro Tek Rotation by Targus. Let's get it on and check it out. As I said, this is the Pro Tek Rotation case by Targus. Let's look at what it will do. So, you know, we got the 360 rotation. The sound is going to be blocked by some of the actual edging. So they've been able to actually redirect the sound through there. You get full tray protection. You get a magnetic closure. You get the sound redirection that we just talked about. And it allows you to hold that stylus. So let's get it on, check it out, and see if it's going to be good for us. I picked up this red one from Best Buy. Price point is going to be about 19 bucks. Open that up. I'm missing my little silicone package, but it's okay. Now, you get a nice silicone type thing going on right here. This is a not a matte finish, not a microfiber lining, but it's like a polyester lining right there. Got that going on. We're gonna drop this down in this rubberized piece. Let's get it in. It's kind of hard to get around. Let's see. Okay, got that in just like so. Now, here's the big test. Do we have auto sleep wake functionality? The answer is no. No auto sleep wake on this case. Let's try it right in front of the camera. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Boom. No auto sleep wake. The best parts about a case to me. Let's see. You guys seeing that? So no go number 2, unless I'm doing something wrong. We don't have a full magnetic grip on the side, and we have no charging, no Apple Pencil charging. Nope, does not flip around, does not hold it. It is magnetic on the back. You do get a holder right here. See that? But it's not going to charge. So 2 features that is missing right up front is auto sleep wake and Apple Pencil charging on the go. Missing those 2 features, you get different viewing angles. You get a typing mode. So you do get those. You just don't have the other features that I mainly buy a case for, that I mainly look for in a case. Our buttons are open, so you don't have to worry about that. Buttons nice and open, microphones open, and down bottom is open. Speakers, I'm not gonna test out the speakers. It's not really that big of a deal to me about the speakers. I know they talk about sound redirection, but let's do this for everybody out there at home in TV land. 360 rotation right there. You're gonna be able to turn it all the way around. Camera does sit down in the recess. You don't have to worry about it getting scratched up. I saw it, I liked it. I said, let me give it a try, but this one is just not it. It's not gonna work. Someone may like it though, just not me. Once again, this is the Pro Tek Rotation from Targus. Maybe we'll have better luck with the next case that we review, the next one that we look at. I got a VersaView review coming out pretty soon, so stay tuned for that one. But I'll leave a link below if you want to go check this one out. The outside is made of like this, kind of like a slippery polyester type material, just like the one on the inside. It'll be easy to clean. I'll give it that much. But until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.